Hey, you know, it's really hard sometimes to try something different. And yesterday, I decided to try something different. I was making just hot dogs, something simple. And usually, you know, around here we'll eat them with chili and ketchup and mustard and salt and whatnot. But I decided to try something very different, and it was like awesome. And people that know me know that it's like huge. I would try something different when it comes to eating because I'm afraid of new things. It's like I'm 56. It took me till I was 56 to try the hot dog in a new way, which, by the way, was awesome. And I'll give you the recipe if you want it. But anyway, the thing is, I think that's what we do in life, not just with food, but with our habits and our patterns. We keep dating the same person, or we keep, doing the same kind of thinking, faulty thinking, and it's so uncomfortable to even think about maybe changing what we know. The devil we know is better than the angel we don't know kind of thing. That we end up, I think, creating a life that is not worthy of us. And it's really difficult sometimes to break out of that pattern, to break out of that box and to try something that is new and different. Okay, I'll tell you, like I said, usually I'm a hot dog chili only, extra chili. And what I did was deep fry a hot dog, which is the only way, by the way, to do that. Bacon, deep fried also. And I wonder why I'm overweight. And it's a little sauerkraut and pickle relish. I hear myself say that, and I'm even thinking, oh my God, it's gross. But it was actually, like I said, awesome. But it's so very different. And again, this really isn't about food. I'm just telling you that as an example, that sometimes if you do break your expectation pattern, if you'll step outside your comfort zone, and even if you wait a long time to do it, to gather your strength to do it, or you do it just little pieces at a time, little pieces, it can change everything. It can change everything. Now remember this is the final word on this. You see out there in your future and you think, I need to be way over here. Okay, way over here. And right now I'm on a path that's taking me way over here. And maybe that's not the path I want to be on. It's maybe not good, bad, or indifferent. It's just not for me for right now. And you can't even conceive of how you can get over there on that other path. But if you'll just try something different, it's like changing the satellite dish that you might have seen in somebody's yard, your yard. You just do it a little bit, and the signal is miles off from where it was out there in space. But just making a little adjustment. Well, by trying something a little different, it's like making that little adjustment, just that little adjustment. And then on down the road, you're miles off from where you were originally headed. And then you have broken that pattern maybe changed something, maybe changed everything in a way that was not even conceivable, just by making those little adjustments and by trying something a little different right now. Okay, that's it for now.